Let's introduce the installation method of ATE400 sensor on static contact. Before installation, check that whether the group number of sensor on the label is same as the group number of receiver. Take two ROA sheets through the locking parts. Fold in the middle. Press the ROA sheet and sensor tighten. The sensor and gasket passes through the ROA sheet. Then put the ROA sheet passes through the locking piece. Tighten the locking screw. Cut off the extra ROA sheet. Use a tool to handle the excess ROA sheet. Then we install the sensor to the static contact. And push to the bottom, the sensor is installed.